Kia ora, good morning, good Monday morning. I am Mike from Markets, confirmed over the weekend as being COVID-free. Yeah, I said yes to the test. You don't need to hear about that though, I assume. You don't want to hear about that. You want to hear about market movements and data releases, so yeah, Kiwibank markets in a minute. Good thing we're here. Oakley tokily. Lots to cover, where to start. US data, US employment data for August. All in all, better than forecast. The average number of hours worked and the average hourly wage, slightly better. Headline unemployment though, yeah, that was the big one. That was much better than forecast. So going back to July, the reading was 10.2%. Expectations for August were for an improvement down to 9.8%, and the number that flashed on trading screens in the wee small hours of Saturday morning, 8.4%. Yeah, so better than expected. How did the market react? Initially choppily and then mixed. Yeah, equities. Okay, so the major indices of the US and Europe and just the world, they all finished Friday in the reds. Those better than expected employment numbers, they weren't enough to slow the selling momentum. And if anything, they oddly accelerated the selling. Yeah, then a stock market rebound into the close, saw losses paired. Yeah, and at the end of the day, those losses sat between 0.5% and 1.5%, just depending on the index you want to follow. Yeah, currencies, slightly different kettle of fish there, and yeah, certainly more pronounced reaction to the data initially, at least. So the greenback surged on those employment numbers, shunting the major currencies lower in unison, including the Kiwi dollar. And then as the data dust settled, yeah, it was the dollar's turn to sink and everything else recovered back to where it had been previously, more or less. Yeah, so for the Kiwi, we left it on Friday evening in the low 67s. It dipped to a low of 66.68 on that data-driven dollar strength. And yeah, then rallied back above the 67-cent mark, and looks like we'll kick off the day somewhere close to that. Yeah. So because most currencies followed that trading pattern, sort of yeah, there wasn't a lot of movement in Kiwi crosses, which makes my job this morning so much easier. They're pretty much where they were on Friday. Okay, today it's going to be pretty quiet, probably. No major data during our trading day, and the US and Canada, they are closed tonight, Labor Day, so yeah, dollar and CAD holiday. Fortunately, that market lull will afford domestic participants, such as your good selves, plenty of time to peruse First View from Kiwi Economics. If you don't get that delivered to your inbox each Monday, let's give the dealing room an email and we will sort you out. All right, that's it. I'm done. Have a wonderful day. Have a wonderful week. Ka kite anō.